Hey everyone, welcome. So, if you've ever fallen down an internet rabbit hole, you've definitely seen them. Those unbelievable, sometimes hilarious videos of forklift accidents. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at what's really happening behind those viral clips.
I mean, there's just something about them, right? It's this perfect storm of chaos, physics, and let's be honest, usually some pretty bad judgment. We watch, we gasp, we laugh, we hit share. But what if there's a much bigger story here?
Because, behind every single clip that gets a million views, there's a real-world accident. And while they can look pretty funny from the safety of our screens, every single one has a super serious lesson to teach us about safety and, honestly, respect for heavy machinery. And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? We can totally chuckle at a huge mess of shattered glass or a whole aisle of toppled shelves, but part of us is always kind of holding our breath, hoping that the person driving just walked away okay. That's the fine line we're talking about today. Okay, so let's really get into it. To understand what's going on, we can actually group most of these fails into a few common themes. And it turns out these spectacular accidents, they're not that random. In fact, they're pretty predictable. First up, we've got a total classic, the overload. This is what happens when operators get a little too ambitious. They try to do way too much, way too fast, and they push their machine right past its limits. Oh, you've seen these clips. An operator trying to lift a giant, wobbly pallet of glass that isn't secured and poof, it shatters into a million pieces. Or maybe they try to move a literal mountain of beer cans stacked way too high, and suddenly it's a beer can waterfall. It's just an accident waiting to happen. All right, next up is a category we can only describe as the bad idea. This is where pure, unfiltered, bad judgment just completely takes the wheel and people start treating a multi-ton piece of industrial equipment like it's some kind of toy.
And yes, these things actually happen. I'm talking about videos of people trying to lift a small forklift with a bigger one, which is just as unstable and dangerous as it sounds. Or people treating it like a carnival ride, giving their buddies a lift. The thing is, these aren't really accidents in the traditional sense. They're the direct result of a terrible, terrible decision.
And finally, we have the fails that are caused by something simple but incredibly dangerous, a total lack of awareness. These happen when operators are just not paying attention to the world around them, and the results, well, they're often pretty spectacular. And we've all seen how this plays out, right? An operator picks up a load perfectly, then confidently reverses straight into a massive water trough. Or someone's driving way too fast in a warehouse, clips one single shelf, and triggers this catastrophic domino-like collapse of the entire aisle. It's a tiny moment of not paying attention that leads to absolutely massive consequences. So, we've had a few laughs at the fails, we've sorted them into categories. But now we have to make a really sharp pivot. Because these viral clips, they are just the very, very tip of a very real and very dangerous iceberg. Just take a look at this number, 1,300. That's how many workers in the UK alone get hospitalized from forklift accidents every single year. And all of a sudden, this isn't about broken glass or spilled cans anymore. This is about real people, real injuries. And suddenly, those funny videos, they don't seem quite so funny. And those viral fails we just talked about, they connect directly to these reasons. See, these aren't random events. They come from very specific causes. The human factor, like a stressed-out operator going too fast, major training issues, or equipment that was just poorly maintained and bound to fail. And the key takeaway here, every single one of these is preventable. Let's dig a little deeper on that. Because when things go truly horribly wrong with a multi-ton machine, the consequences can be absolutely life-altering or even life-ending. This quote from our source material is chilling, and it's aimed squarely at those bad idea videos, the ones where people are joyriding. The danger isn't some abstract concept. It is incredibly real, and frankly, it's terrifying. This is talking about a clip where an operator gets thrown clean out of his cab because he wasn't wearing a seatbelt. He got so lucky, he just walked away. But you realize he was inches, maybe seconds away from a completely different and absolutely tragic ending. And here's the truly tragic irony in all this. When a forklift actually starts to tip over, what's an operator's first instinct? Jump clear, right? But that is the single most dangerous thing you can possibly do. The machine's protective cage is literally designed to save your life, but jumping often puts the operator directly in the path of tons of falling steel. So, after all of this, what's the ultimate lesson? What's the big takeaway? Well, it really just boils down to a fundamental shift in how we see these machines. Look, you can view a forklift in one of two ways. Over on the left, you've got the toy mentality. That's what leads to all those viral fails. Then, on the right, you have the reality. It is a powerful piece of heavy machinery that demands skill, proper certification, and a whole lot of respect. There is absolutely no middle ground here. This is the bottom line. It's not a go-kart. It's not a toy. It's a powerful tool. And just like any other powerful tool, from a chainsaw to a circular saw, if you don't treat it with respect and get the proper training, it becomes unbelievably dangerous. And that kind of leaves us with one last thought. We've been focused on forklifts, but this lesson really applies to, well, everything. Think about your own job, or even just your daily life. What's that one thing that people always laugh off? That one little shortcut that everyone takes that's really just a funny fail waiting to become a serious accident? Something to think about. Thanks for joining me.